What's up guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shara, and in today's video I am going to be showing you how I came up with this mask at home. I'm going to be using Rosewater, activated charcoal powder and bentonite clay powder. I'm also going to be mixing the product in a plastic jar using a plastic spoon. I'll be explaining later why you need to use plastics for this. And then I'll be mixing 1 spoon of bentonite clay and a spoon of activated charcoal powder, and I'll be using rose water to make the paste. The paste depends on how you want it to be. It's more of a preference. So I don't like my paste to be watery, so it's going to be a little bit tacky, and you will see that in the video. I got the rose water, the activated charcoal powder and the bentonite clay from Drip Elegance Naturals. I'm going to link them in the description bar. You can use either powders to make your mask, so you can use activated charcoal powder with the rose water or bentonite clay with the rose water, or you can mix the two powders like I have mixed mine. I add the rose water until I get the consistency that I prefer, and then I switch that up and use my finger so that I can have the feel of the texture of the mask. There are several other ways of using the powders, the bentonite clay and the activated charcoal powder. You can use them on your body, on your armpits, on your feet, on your hair, but don't worry, I got you. I'll be showing you some of those ways as we proceed with my channel. I'd like to mention some of the benefits of using activated charcoal powder on your face. So helps acne, scars and blemishes, removes blackheads, balances oily skin, detoxifies the skin, and gently exfoliates the skin. And those of bentonite clay are unclogs and shrinks pores, controls the overproduction of sebum, makes skin softer, gives a definite skin glow, exfoliates skin, reduces the appearances of scars, regenerates skin tissues, even skin tone. Let's dive straight into the application. I either use a brush or my hands, rather my fingers, to distribute the product evenly on my face, avoiding the eye area because the eye area is very sensitive. It's very sensitive. So I apply the product evenly, like I had said, and also, if possible, apply it on your face and your neck. But I just love to apply it on my face and my chin area. My under chin, double chin. What? I usually apply my mask every once a week, but I had neglected my face, and I was definitely having breakouts. Before we even go further into the video, I'd like to bring to your attention that it's advisable to cleanse, to wash your face before applying any masks. I'd also like to share some of the benefits of using rose water on face, because rose water can also be used on hair. So on face, some of the benefits are: maintains the skin's pH balance, controls sebum production, it is a great cleanser and aids in removing oil and dirt accumulated in clogged pores. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce the redness of irritated skin and get rid of acne. I also forgot to mention that you can substitute rose water with water when making your mask. Also, in the skincare, as we're talking about skincare, the rose water can be used as a toner, where on a daily basis you can wash your face, then massage some of the rose water on it before applying your moisturizer. And you can also do that at night. So basically, it can be used as a toner. some of the reasons as to why we are advised to mix the powders in plastic or wooden tins using plastic or wooden spoons is because charcoal and clay are said to pull toxins from metals, and therefore this weakens the properties of the powders, and therefore they will not deliver. They will not do what you want them to do. They will not deliver good results. And yeah, I'm just checking to see if I've applied all the important areas of my face, and I'll have this mask on for a couple of minutes until it dries out, and then we'll rinse it and apply my moisturizer. I mean, it's that simple. Anyway, that will be all for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Until next time, bye guys.